The local people have locked and closed the Pulin Panchayat Building on Friday, demanding to transfer the Panchayat secretary by making an allegation for discriminating in the works of REGA. The Telemura police arrived in the village after they got the information. The Panchayat secretary Hemendra Debarma was stuck inside the Panchayat office for 4 hours. An allegation was made in the name of Pulin Panchayat Secretary Hemendra Debarma, saying that he used to provide the REGA work only to those persons whom he personally liked, which is why the locals were unhappy with the service of Panchayat Secretary for the partiality they were facing from the very long time. The local people has locked and closed the Pulin Panchayat Building on Friday, demanding to transfer the Panchayat Secretary by making an allegation for discriminating in the works of REGA. The Telemura police arrived in the village after they got the information. The Panchayat Secretary Hemendra Debarma and other office staff were stuck inside the Panchayat office for 4 hours. The Telemura block additional video, Haripada Sarkar, arrived in the village after he got the incident information.
Panchayat REGA statement ngi faika ngi faimani je 8ta puila faika 4ta tabu faika 10ta arong bisingo sing nukjaka je 4ta faimani abu kuno sini bisine hoite resolution khajagi thangya bisine sala resolution khajagi thangya abu pura blogo mas rastai sei resolution to kora hoyeche abuni bagai a je statement ngi faimani sing abu kuno khaipano samung khainan nagla tei sing abuno nukha sing mia madam sin bidu mem bai bokok salaika abo kuno rokom phano khlairnani সম্ভবia sini pokke tam ni bagi himba abo action plan bumung kroi sing abo sarai mia nukha abni bagi phano sing din nukha abo pura estimate khayinai demand khayinai mr umut tikhlai peja ngi sini public rogni gobang mane demand khajak tongo samungni bagi regang samungni bagi borok What about Fajak, Gram Sova Fajak, or bill pass Kajak, into Borno estimate Kai or Tomonism. I estimate Tabusin or estimate pass for English of They borrow legal can Nagi Tomotara, Upozukto, Jarakas Laxen, Tader Kas, estimate for Resena. Into Jaramaskane resolution pass correction, Tader already estimate Oegasaga, work order sanction A, Tader Kas. Into Defegase, say Casta, action plan in Namna, say Jonamra. সেক্রেটারির কাছে সেক্রেটারি সাহেবের কাছে এবং ম্যাডাম বিডুর কাছে আমরা সেই জবাবটা চাই আমাদেরকে কিভাবে যে এই কাজটা হয়েছে সেই আমরা জবাব চাই কিন্তু আমরা এই কাজগুলো হতে দেবেন না ইলিগ্যাল ভাবে যাতে কাজ হোক আমাদের এমন কোনো রাজনৈতিক পক্ষে নয় আমরা সবাই জনসাধারণ হিসাবে সেই কাজটা আমরা কোনো মতে মেনে নিতে পারছি না
কি মনে করছেন কার মদতে এই লিগ্যাল কাজটা হলো
আমরা তো जोंथ' साइमाया जे जोंनि पन्चायत सेक्रेटारि यहन दङ अफिसाव सामनि तिनखा साइमाया पन्चायत सेक्रेटारि जेहेतु बनि तुइ रेजुलेसन थाङो जों अरो दुसिरि नाय जों पन्चायत सेक्रेटारि जुडिसन पन्चायत सेक्रेटारि केबुनि स्टाफ बा जुडिसन खाइमा तंखाय बबो अरो सानानि थुन.
In the end, the locals has unlocked the block building after the Telemura block additional video of Haripada Sarkar spoke to them and gave them assurance to fulfill their needs as soon as possible. Reported by Hiran Moy from Telemura, Chini Khorang.